Hey guys, welcome to the show. We are checking out today Fanttik cordless screwdriver. Begone with these manual screws. We got a proper technology showcase here. 5mm max screwing, 0 to 220 revs per minute. IKEA screwdriver. Eat your heart out. 0.5nm torque. Battery 2000. Made in China. My favorite country to make things in. How to use me. This is what I need because I believe in expecting me. So first, you set your torque setting. That one's for a drone or a computer. Number 1 for an iMac. For a chair and a desk, 1.5 torque. So this is torque settings. You can get to control how much the screwing goes in and out, and boom, open here, and you got an amazing manual. Look at that. English, Espanol, Italiano, mamma mia, where is to be or not to be? Fanttik, you get this beautiful case. Look at this. Oh, how do we operate this? Pull it to the side and dong bong 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 bong. Oh yeah. Oh, ooh, ooh. Look at that light. So this, there you go. You pull the outside first, and then it's open. You slot this in. Boom, clipped in, locked in like a nozzle. And you pull it out and it comes out. That is probably one of the nicest clamping features I've seen in my life. You see me, I'm a proper tools kind of person. No. Clamped in, boom. So this is my favorite trusty screwdriver, and I've just put a bit that is very, very similar in size. This guy over here is the guy I got from IKEA, and I hate its guts. It has this torque setting and all that kind of stuff. It's so annoying to use. So apparently this little fella, rechargeable batteries, all that kind of goodness, is gonna beat this IKEA one. This one definitely sounds nicer. Let's put it on maximum speed, number 6. It's still, look at the distance. Oh, look at that spin. Versus this one. Now it's time to get to work. Today, we're gonna be changing disgusting, dirty, awful doorknobs. I'll do it diagonally like that. And it works well with a manual screwdriver. And fail. So I've got 2 different pieces I can use. I've got the extension rod and I've got the mini screw. I'm gonna go ahead and use the extension. Look at that. Fits in like that. Look at this. Are you ready for this? Locks into place. There is no unscrewing and screwing around. Well, this one, actually there is a bit of screwing around. You can tell from the video. And let's see if this will fit any better. With the extension rods. Look at that. Goodbye, disgusting lock. Look at my fingers. It is nasty. So at this point here, you probably just want to wash your hands. Oh, I'm going to spend forever in the toilet because it's completely safe to have an unlocked door. No! So it's nicely scented. No criminals can break in now. Unless they have the key. Unlocked. Hey.